If you're looking to get started creating content on YouTube, then doing product reviews is a safe, comfortable, low-cost way to get into it. And in this video, I want to show you how to get started and how you can turn it into a couple extra bucks a month. It's not going to replace your full-time income, maybe not now, maybe eventually, but let's talk about it. If you are just joining the channel for the first time, I like to live my life time and location independent so that I can work from anywhere and just doing things that everybody does, talking about my favorite things like everybody should. What would be the thing that you could do every day if you got paid for it? If that sounds like something you'd be interested in learning more about, subscribe, turn on notifications to never miss a video. Product reviews is not going to allow you to quit your job overnight. It's going to take time to build up. But the good news is product review videos are they're lower effort than vlogs, than storytelling. There is very, very advanced players in the YouTube space, content creation space, making product review videos. And then there are the kind of the entry level kind of stuff. And both of them are making a lot of money. Some making more than others, obviously. But you don't have to have an intriguing hook because the majority of product review videos are designed for people that are specifically searching for that product. Now, with that being said, before you can start really making some money, you've got to start building up a library of content. And this is my Reviews Real Fast YouTube channel. Okay. This is where I review all of my Amazon purchases. And I've been working on this channel for slowly, kind of off to the side, for a very long time. I think my first video published looks like it was back in 2022. Wow, that's crazy. It seems like a long time ago, but it really doesn't feel like that. You know, I'm not quite monetized as far as the ad revenue on this channel, but this channel is generating me a couple $100s a month through Amazon affiliate sales. So this is the beauty part of product review videos. You don't necessarily have to buy stuff because you already own a lot of stuff. Everybody uses Amazon. And if you don't, I'd be curious to hear where you're shopping from. I know there's some pros and cons to Amazon, but you know, we've all got a large order history on Amazon. I think mine goes back to 2010. Yeah, I've made purchases back to 2010. So you're making Amazon orders, or maybe you're ordering stuff from Walmart or Schnucks or Lowe's, whatever. And you know, all of it exists on Amazon, but a lot of those places have their own affiliate programs you can get into as well. The idea is you promote a product, somebody clicks on your link in the description of the video, and that then could convert into a sale if that person buys that item or any item within 24 hours, specifically to Amazon, but a lot of nuances there that we don't need to get into. So for example, I just bought this cage for our dog. She had surgery not too long ago. We needed to restrict her, and I bought it just as something that I need for the house, something that I need for my family, right? And this is a great opportunity for a YouTube video. So what do we do when we have something that we have decided that we want to do a video on? And by the way, every single thing that you purchase, everything from Rice Krispie treats to Monster energy drink sodas. I've got video cables here, our chargers. I've got couch covers. I've got shirts. I've got Velcro strips. Everything is a great candidate for a video with a little help of some creativity on your part. But if you're not very creative, that's where AI comes in. That's where ChatGPT comes in. And I just want to show you the prompt that I gave it. Look at this Amazon listing and review the comments. Tell me the top 3 things that are the most important in relation to this Amazon product. And then I just shared with the AI the link to this product page. So it does a little bit of thinking, and it tells me the 3 most important things that people are interested in sharing or learning about with this playpen. And then you just take your phone, you point it at the thing. Okay, you point it at the thing, you record, you don't use any fancy microphone. I know I have a microphone here for this video, but that's okay. You just point it at the thing, and then you talk about the versatility and ease of use. You talk about the value for money. You talk about the sturdiness and safety considerations. Throw in a couple of personal anecdotes. How long did it take me to build? How is it working out for our dog in particular? You know, and some measurements for the dog is handy as well. And then that's the video. You don't even have to edit it if you don't want to. There's going to be some ums and some uhs and some gaps where you're breathing and all of that. You can edit those out if you have experience video editing with your phone, with an iPad, with a computer or whatever, but you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. So you've recorded your video. And by the way, here's the video that I just recorded of this playpen. So our little one just had a little bit of neck surgery. This is Remy. She's my princess. She's about 31 pounds, okay? And I'm not sure exactly which size that I got, but we really like this one. You can see the configuration. It's almost like, I guess it's like a 6-sided almost. This closes if I want it to, but we don't really need it to right now because we're here. We have a doggy crate that attaches to this, and it comes with some pieces that you can use to attach with it. A couple of things that I want to mention. These pieces right here for the straights and these for the corners, it's pretty sturdy. It's pretty sturdy. She's pretty sedated with muscle relaxers and everything right now, even though she's chowing down on her lunch. But the sturdiness hasn't really been a question for us, but I can definitely say if you had a larger breed or a more excitable breed, then maybe you want to get the taller one instead. And you can definitely throw some zip ties on here to kind of strengthen it down if you want to. It also does come with these stakes so that you can take it outside if you want. But yeah, you know, you can make it like a big square or a big rectangle. Lots of different ways you can build this, and it's a great value for what we were looking for. And it comes all in one piece. It's all one piece that just folds on itself. So once she's healed in a couple of weeks, we'll just close this up and stick it in the garage for next time. So yeah, highly recommend this one. Yeah. Now you have your video, you go to YouTube, and you either can do it from your phone directly or you can do it from a computer if you upload the video to your computer or your Mac or your iPad or however you want to do it. And then there's a create up here in the top right hand corner. Click upload videos, and then you just drag the file into the video. Now, the next thing that you're going to do, okay, the next thing you're going to do once you've done that part, the video is going to take a second to upload, and it's going to look a little something like this. It's not going to look exactly like this, but it's going to be similar. I've got a couple of tools that are open here as well that's going to kind of confuse things, and I apologize for that, but that's okay. Go back to the AI and ask it, I need a YouTube video title, okay, in that same chat. And then it's going to give you a handful of titles. Just pick one. Just pick one. It doesn't matter. You know, some of them look good to you, but they might look better to other people. Some of them might look bad to you, but they might look amazing to other people. Okay. That's not really the important thing necessarily. You have a good title. You put right there in the title, the recommended title that ChatGPT or whatever AI that you have gave you. And then down here, it says, get yours here. Okay, get yours here. It's the very first link. Okay, so then somewhere close to the top, right below the link to purchase, you put the Amazon listing. Okay, so Bruno Marc men's casual dress, sneakers, skate shoes. Okay, that's what you do. You just put it right there so that anybody is searching for the Bruno Marc's men's casual dress sneakers or skate shoes or any Bruno Marc's anything, your video has a chance to show up. This is all part of step one, is getting the video on the internet, getting it so that it exists not just in your phone, not just in your camera, but on the internet. So this next part is where a lot of people get really tripped up, and that is getting the affiliate link. So what is an affiliate link? If somebody clicks on this link and makes a purchase on Amazon within the next 24 hours, I get credit for that sale. I was an affiliate to Amazon. I convinced somebody, or at least in part helped to convince somebody, to make a purchase on Amazon or Walmart or Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever because of my video, right? And so Amazon wants to thank me for that by giving me a percentage. It's like 1% to 4% depending on the product category. So it's not a lot, especially if you're talking about a $20 pair of shoes. I might get 45 cents. But if you sell 1,000 of those shoes, it adds up pretty quickly, right? So getting The affiliate program with an affiliate link, that's where the next step kind of comes in. And you're not going to be qualified for the Amazon affiliate program until you have some kind of proof that you are creating content. So that is why you want to get a good 10, 15, 30. You could probably start with 5 videos. Like I said, just go to your orders on Amazon, pick the last 5 things that you purchased, pick the last 10 things that you purchased, or pick 5 things that you think was really good, or pick the 5 most expensive things that you purchased in the last year. Eventually, you're going to want to go through your entire list. Okay, and more on that in just a second. You get the videos published, and then you're going to search Amazon affiliate program on Google. Amazon affiliate program on Google. It's going to be the Amazon Associates Central, right? You just go to sign up for Amazon affiliates. I'm not going to click on that link because I'm already signed up and it will show you all of my personal information. You just put in like your address, your YouTube channel, your TikTok, your Facebook page. If you're sharing the reviews to those various locations, you can include that as well. And then usually it's pretty quick. Sometimes they deny you because you don't have enough proof that you are a content creator. And sometimes it's very quick and they do approve you. And then on your Amazon account, from then on, as long as you're logged in, you have this get link button right here, right? You click on get link. There is your affiliate link. This is specific to you. This one right here is specific to me, but this one would be specific to you. So you copy this URL, this website link right here. You go back to your description and then you copy it right in here. Get yours here. Boom. First link in the description that will give people that are interested in buying that product after they watch your video access to purchase that thing. Now there's another level to this, the Amazon influencers program. And the Amazon influencers program is how you get this video that I've made here, how you get this video actually on the product itself. So right here are those sunglasses that I purchased, and in the videos, either at the top or down in the bottom right here, there's my video right there. You see it? So people that are interested in buying these sunglasses, that are thinking about buying these sunglasses, will have all of these product videos to look at. And whether they choose Hello Dreamers video, Obsessed ABC's video, Kendra Thomas's video, or mine, they all have an opportunity to be the one that ultimately gets the sale, whoever's video was watched last. In order to get on the Amazon influencer program, it's another whole step, it's another whole process, but you do the same thing as I showed you for the other thing, Amazon influencer program. There you go. Sign up for the Amazon influencer program. So the Amazon affiliate program, you share Amazon links on your videos on YouTube. The Amazon influencer program, your videos are on actual Amazon, if that makes a difference. I'm currently doing both and I'm earning an income from both, a couple of $100 total for the both of them. There were times that I was earning up to $1,000 a month. I haven't been posting as consistently to this thing as I should be. I think that I will be getting back into it because I've got dozens of items that we've purchased on Amazon that I haven't done any videos for, and I definitely need to get back to it. So let me know in the comment section down below. Did I go too fast? What points did I brush over that you're not following? What videos can I do to help you better understand this side hustle? This is a perfect thing for older people, for people that have a little bit extra time in the evenings or on the weekends. If you're trying to, save up a couple extra bucks a month, I mean, an extra $500 a month, what could that do for you? Subscribe if you found this video helpful. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. And on screen now, I've got a video discussing the related video concept and why it's going to be super helpful in getting those product videos promoted even further to other people that are looking. This is Charlie the Life Gamer. I hope to see you all next time.